Number 57 says triangle ABC is shown in the figure below. The measure of angle A is 40 degrees, AB is 18 centimeters, and AC is 12 centimeters. All that's labeled in the picture already. Which of the following is the length in centimeters of segment BC? I'm going to call that X just to make it easier to deal with in an equation. And then it says note here, and then it actually gives you the law of cosines and the law of sines right here in the context of the problem. So we're going to be using one of those two things. The law of sines, you're using an angle and the side across from it. So I could use 40 with respect to x, but then you have to have, if I'm missing one of the sides or one of the pieces there, I would have to know an angle and a side across from it. I have to actually know both of those values. So I could use 40 in x, but I'd have to compare it to 18 and then this unknown length, unknown angle measurement, or 12 in this unknown angle measurement. So I have to have 3 of the 4 pieces. I'm missing 2 pieces if I try to use the law of sines instead of the law of cosines. Law of cosines, however, I can know 2 sides and an angle and figure out the side across from it based on this. So C in this case is like my x here. I have x squared equal to the other 2 sides squared and added together, 18 squared plus 12 squared, and then minus 2 times a times b, so minus 2 times 18 times 12 times the cosine of c, and c again is x in this case. So the side across from that side, or the angle across from that side, is 40 degrees. So times the cosine of 40 degrees. So that means x would be the square root of all that. So you've got the square root of, and it looks like it's written with 12 squared first down here, 12 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 12 times 18 times the cosine of 40. And they didn't actually calculate any of that, they just wrote it out and left it in that format. It looks like choice E is the correct choice for number 57.